Hey guys, I'm so excited in this video because I am unboxing something that I have wanted for a very long time, and finally it's here, and I cannot just express how much grateful I am for this product. So as you know, when you are doing content, you need something that is good, that is a good camera, and one that can actually just take you places and allow you to make good videos. And in this video I managed to get a GoPro, and this is me unboxing. So guys, I don't have the latest version, but this is a start. I got a GoPro Hero 11 and this is me unboxing it. So I bought it from AliExpress, and I would also just like to take you through the process of purchase and the wait time and how I was able to get it just at my doorstep free of charge. So stick along on this video and let me just show you how it went. But first of all, here's what is in this box. So the camera came with the charging cable and the memory card, and then this is the camera itself, and then the casing, that casing it came with, and then it also has a waterproof case that I bought separately and some other accessories that you'll get to see at the end of this video. So guys, you see, when you go to the site and you want to buy something, at the stage where you're adding in cart, they'll show you all the options available, all the accessories available. So it starts from a standard price, and then according to the number of accessories that you are added, the price increases, but it's not significant considering that you need everything that is there. And actually the accessories are cheaper because they'll come with the camera. So I got also in this same package, I also got a waterproof casing. So if I want to shoot underwater, I'll place the camera in this casing. It's plastic, it's sturdy, it's really nice. I love the quality of it. Like, it is a very, 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 very nice casing. So you place your camera in there. I'm yet to open it and know how to place the camera in there, but yeah, I know that I'll get there. And so guys, stick along, just kaa tu hapa, you will see every other thing that I also got. But in the meantime, let me take you through the process of unboxing, through the process of shipping through China on AliExpress. So firstly, you go to their site, that is the AliExpress site. If you don't have the site installed if you don't have it already installed, then the first thing you do is go to Play Store, or I don't know where iPhone guys download it, I think App Store or something, and then you download the AliExpress app, and then you sign up. So signing up, you can use your Google or your Gmail address, and then you set up an address. So for the address, for me, for example, I set up an address for Feather Stage, Embakasi. So I stay in Embakasi, and Feather Stage is one of the places that I'm very close to. So I just set it up to Feather Stage, Embakasi, and imagine that was enough and included my phone number. So let me just attach a screenshot of how you can go to ship from AliExpress and how you do it for free. So this is everything that I ordered, and it appears under my orders. So you can see I did order a camera and the camera accessories mostly because that's what I wanted to do. And I also ordered some other laundry stuff that you are currently seeing in the video. So the most important thing is for you to add an address, and the address, you don't really need to have a PO box, just where you come from and the nearest stage or landmark that can be used as an address. Once you add that and you add your phone number, then you'll go ahead and add items in your cart. So this is really a simple process. Once you have set up the address and the phone number, go to the site and then search for something you want, say earphones, and then after it has filtered all that selection, then go ahead and highlight on free shipping. It would be at the top right corner. Highlight on free shipping, and once you are done, add your item to the cart, choose the specifications that you want, and pretty much that is it. So after you have added the item to your cart, you'll need to pay using a Visa card. So if you don't have a Visa card, you can use M-Pesa Global, and setting up an M-Pesa Global account is very simple. Just go to your M-Pesa account and you will see the step-by-step process of setting up an M-Pesa Global card. So I found it easy for me to use M-Pesa Global because I am able to track my payments easily, and I'm also able to just detach the card when I don't need it. Also, something to note is begin to compare the items so that you get the items that you want. For example, if you have earpods and you have an item that is going for 1,000 shillings, you could get the same item at let's say 900 shillings or so, and therefore you get to save. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And ask any question that you have below and I'll be able to answer it in this video. So that is it, guys. This is my camera. I'll review the camera later once I get to learn how to use it and actually use it. And I hope that this video has been educational and you have learned something. Bye.